Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back from the break. Today, doing a Bowman Chrome Mega Box 2020. I want to give a shout out to Up North Collectors. They had an extra box and were nice enough to sell it to me. Otherwise, I would not have been able to open this. So, huge thank you to Up North Collectors. This is 35 cards total. 5 card packs of 2020 Bowman Chrome, plus 2 exclusive 5-card Chrome Mega Packs. I don't believe there are any first Bowmans in this. It is a very basic release. You do have a chance for autographs and parallels, though. You guys can pause that and check out the odds. Autographs are 1 in 9 of the Bowman Mega Packs. So, there you guys go. Let's get right into it. I've watched quite a few breaks of this. I've seen quite a few autographs pulled. A lot of color. Seems to be about either, if you don't get an autograph, you'll get some kind of color parallel out of the Mega Packs. So, all right, here we go. 2020 Bowman Chrome Mega Box. There has not been anything for cards in my area. The, I guess, vendor who stocks all the cards in my area has been, well, buying them all himself. If there's no one else there, he buys it all himself. So if you're not there at time of him stocking, he gets it all, which is pretty crappy. So, alright, first regular pack. Andres Munoz, rookie. I do love Chrome. Bobby Bradley, rookie. Gleyber Torres. Brendan McKay, rookie. And Brusdar Graterol, a rookie. Don't think there's any prospect cards in the main packs. Don't think so. Could be wrong, though. Rhys Hoskins. Aaron Judge. Yoshi Tsutsugo, Michael Baez rookie, and a Seth Brown rookie. Ton of rookies. Be nice if I could hit a Lubob. Jesus Luzardo rookie, Alzolay rookie, Alex Bregman. There we go. There he is. Nice. Abraham Toro. I have seen a couple of videos where people have hit 2 Lubob rookies in one box. So that could happen. 2 regular packs left before we get to the Mega Packs. This is kind of a quick break. Xander Bogaerts, Justin Verlander, San Diaz rookie, Ketel Marte, and Tim Anderson. Unfortunate about Verlander being out. Jose Barrios, Brian Reynolds, Nico Horner, rookie, Shohei Ohtani, and Eduardo Escobar. So out of the regular packs, did hit the, I think it's usually like the first pack. Well, they were kind of mixed up, so I don't know. Yeah, here we go. That does have a thicker card, so we're going to hold that one for last. Either going to be a parallel or an autograph. And I love how these cards look. Sean, yeah, either the H or J is silent, but I'm not even going to attempt that. So just Sean. Shane Baz. Insert. Dawn of Glory, Cardenas. Tyler Stevenson, and Blake Rutherford. Love this design. Ruben Cardenas. Cardenas. Alright. See what there is in here. Well, looks like it's just a pink parallel, so I don't think it's going to be an autograph. Could be an autograph pink, though. You never know. Jeter Downs, Tristan McKenzie, Francisco Alvarez, Adonis Medina, and is it autographed? Not autographed, Jeter Downs, pink. What's that numbered to? Oh, right there on the front. Didn't even see it. 84 of 199. Jeter Downs. 32nd overall. 2017 draft. It's not bad. First rounder. I'll take it. Really nice looking card. Pinks. Let's see what the odds are on the pinks. Pinks are, well, 1 in 15. So actually harder to get than the autographs, which are 1 in 9 on the autographs. Purple's 1 in 12, pink's 1 in 15, blue's 1 in 19, green 1 in 29, gold 56, orange 112, red 560. Rose gold 1 in 2,809. I wonder if those are the 101s. Yeah, there you guys go. Not bad. Definitely, I mean, it is a plus having Lou Bob rookie in here in the regular packs, but you mainly buy it for the mega packs. The Mojo Refractors, they still call them that. Which these are sweet looking. You got the Jeter Downs regular too. So, there you guys go. 2020 Bowman Chrome Baseball Mega Box. Again, thank you to Up North Collectors for giving me the opportunity to get a box. Really appreciate it. Well, there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.